Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Are you looking for an easy way to create a sense of urgency to drive sales and conversions? Do you want to give your visitors a compelling reason to buy now? With OptinMonster's countdown timer campaigns, you can create intelligent, scarcity-based campaigns that effectively convert hesitant buyers. Creating a sense of urgency is one of the best ways to boost your conversion rates. When our purchasing decisions are based on urgency, we automatically lean towards the take action route because we're afraid of missing out. OptinMonster's countdown timer campaigns are available in two powerful modes: static, where you set a universal deadline for all visitors by selecting the date and time the countdown ends, and dynamic, where you create evergreen countdown timers customized for each visitor. Instead of selecting a universal end date and time, you choose the length of time each visitor has to accept an offer. You can use countdown timers in a number of ways. For example, you can create holiday and seasonal campaigns, promote limited edition products and flash sales, encourage signups and registrations, and much more. Nothing gets visitors to act now more than seeing the timer ticking down. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to build buzz and boost your sales and conversions with countdown timer campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.